This is a portable sound booth that is pretty simple to assemble. It's all pretty compact. You can fit it into a bag, and then when you need to set it up, the main portion just opens up like this, and on the back side there's two pieces of hook and loop that'll coincide with this hook and loop, and now it's going to stay rigid and stay a box like this. And then you've got some holes here for the mics, for putting it on a tripod. A hole here at the bottom, and then you can put cables through there if you need to. There's also a large hole here in the side for putting cables through. A couple of these foam pads have holes in them, so that way you don't have to fight with that. And then there's a foam pad for the bottom. There's one for the back, and they just fit in here very easily. There's one for the side, and once you've got all those in, the one for the top will kind of snap right into place. And now you've got this sound booth that isolates sound completely, lets you put your microphones and everything in here, have them set up in here, and you can speak into this and have no background noise at all. Great consistent audio, and when you're all done, it comes apart and fits into a bag. Hope this helps.